Hello guys, a new mining video for Rubel coin. Like you see, this is the home page of the site. You register with your email and password. The link will be in the description, also on the first comment in the video. We click here, like you see, I already have a new account. Like you see, it's based in having birds. You can have free birds and buying also birds, like you see. For the first, it will gives you a free bird to mine for you. Like you see, this is my earning. We go to profit collection. It will give you this free bird for you. We collect profit like that. I already collected the profit, like you see. I have my business bird one. When you open the site, you go to buy birds. You will have one bird for you, like you see. I have these free birds for mining. It's for 10 ruble. You can buy for 10 ruble. Also, you can buy this bird for 100 ruble. This one for 215 ruble. You can buy 5 red one for 15 ruble if you want. There is also a daily bonus. Like you see, we have daily bonus. When you go to the site, you must translate page to English or any language that you want. Like you see. There is a bonus for 12 hours also. We get our bonus. We return. Like you see. Also, there is bonus for 6 hours. There is surfing site. You can earn some ruble in surfing site. It's a very good site. Also, you can add in your site here or your ads here by clicking on ads and replenish the balance of the site. Like you see, let's go to our cabinet like that. We make a payout. We choose by year. Like you see, we must put our per year here. Minimum payment is 1 rib. Like you see, I will put my per year address now. Like you see, I will put my per year. Now we make a withrow. Must go in setting and putting our per year here and save for the first time. Now we return. We paid out. We choose per year. We withdraw. Like you see, we must replenish the balance at once by 10 ruble. Like I told you, I will replenish the balance by 10 ruble now and return for you. Like you see, I top up the balance by 10 ruble. It's simple. You click in top up like that. You click in top up. You choose your, like you see, this is the bonus up to your charge in the site. And here you choose your method. Like you see, I already replenished the balance. Like you see, this is my replenishment. Like you see, we return to cabinet. Now we can make withrow to my wallet. We make withrow. Now, like you see, has been successfully transferred to your wallet. Like you see, the amount was transferred. We return, we buy a bird. Like you see, we buy a bird. Let's see profit collection. Income per day, it's 196. It's 2 ruble. Like you see, I have 2 red one. Like you see.